aggressive wave C sell on the dollar CAD. Hi traders, this is the chart of the dollar CAD on the 15-minute time frame. Here we can see some turning point over here, and if you take a look at the movements from the bottom to the current high, the movements look clean and sharp. So let's see if we can go and find the 5-wave move inside. We have a smaller 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we can go and call this the larger wave 1. Some sort of a 3-wave move pullback. We can call a wave 2. After that, some sort of extended, more or less the wave 3, 4, and 5. Divergence starts from here. So ideally this should be some sort of wave 3 of 3. But let's see. We go and call this the wave 1. And this the wave 2. First of all, we need to see where wave 2 ended. Price holded above our invalidation point, or better say, above the starting point of the wave 1 for the 1 pip, but it's still valid because price holded. This is the wave 2. After it, we have a little bit more movements. We have a 5-wave moves over here, but we don't have a divergence over here. So this should be better called the wave 1 of the wave 3. So pull back the wave 2. This can be the wave 3. Looking for a pullback down in the wave 4. And we would end over here the larger wave 3. Now, let me explain you something. In this case, wave 1 was the extended wave, because over here we had a 5-wave move. And there was any other option how you can label this, because maybe if you don't know what happened after that, you could go and say this is the wave 3. But after you see this, there are more waves that you can see. And over here we have a divergence. We know that in extended waves, divergence appear between the waves 3 and 3 on the RSI. So everything should be fine. So after that, this pullback should be the wave 4 and the wave 5. So technically speaking, more or less this is some sort of extended wave. And we know that after extended wave, let's throw it over here, so 9-wave move, we should see a pullback, a 3-wave move pullback. So this is a 15-minute chart. We would look to sell the wave C in an aggressive style. Price is pushing lower. This move over here look impulsive. There wasn't some choppy movements like this. Price was just pushing lower. So we are going to go and call this the wave A. And we are going to try to buy this pair at the B wave pullback. So we are going to try to find our entry points with the Fibonacci retracement that we are going to draw from the start to the end of the wave A. We are going to use the 50% and 618 as our 2 entry points. So let's mark it over here, 130.70 and 130.31. They are our entry points, entry 1, entry 2. After that, our stop loss need to go to the starting point of the wave A. And for the targets, we are going to watch for the equinox between the wave A and the wave C. For the start, we are going to project them from the 50% because we don't know what happened right now. So let's put over here our targets. Now let's see what happened over here. We would get filled at the entry 1 over here, followed by the second fill. But since price continued to push lower, we can go and label the wave B as complete over here. So after that, we can go and just slightly move our target to 120 129.15, and right now everything makes sense. So we are seeing this price is pushing lower, but we are still not, let's say, filled at the target. So until over here at October 14, the price finally tested our equal X. So you would automatically be booked by 2 trades. And we can see that first position was around 100 points and the second should be more or less the same. Let's say 110 points. So we had 2 great trades. Risk reward was good, so everything was perfect.